Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Kingdom Trades Live. We are here. It is 2:25 at 6:25 in the morning. We took one short so far. So we are at. Gotta move that P&L again. Always gotta move that P&L. $44.64. Woohoo! Took one short. One short off this 2-minute cross here. 2-minute cross. Took that short. Got 10 points and then didn't trail. It went all the way down to 18 points. Took 10 points. I think if I made two more, I would have trailed to 10. And then it came back up and hit me for break even on the last contract. Jerk. Coming here. We'll give you guys a welcome. Welcome to Kingdom Trades Live. See if that pulls through. It's going to pull through. No, it's not. What's up, Akira? I see you here. I see you here. Why, oh, why? Why, oh, why is it not coming through? Oh. No chat box today. Okay. Gotta make sure I don't save anything. I'll keep my chat box here. I pop it out. There we go. That's probably what I could do, huh? I could probably pop this out. Pop out my chat. Get over here. Alright, I'll only be watching the chat on the horizontal stream today, guys. So if you are not on the horizontal stream, I will not be watching your chat. Oh, okay, man. That's okay. Of course. I need one. I need one. My wife's been getting on to me lately because my hair's getting out of control. So I got to, and my scruff needs to be cleaned up too. Scruff needs, that's when you know. That's when you know it's time, is when the wife says so. That's when you know it's time. I usually just let it go until I'm told otherwise. I've gotten away with almost a little ponytail at one point in time, and then my wife said enough's enough. We are ranging like crazy, man. Actually, it's a good move up in the overnight. If you look at the 5-minute, it's been a pretty good constant move up. But I hopped on early. Maestro Javi was doing a session for all of his quantum traders, and it just chopped the whole time. This is where we were for his session, and he caught a couple of big moves, which is good. You know, I only caught the one trade, but where's the audio? Do you hear the music at all? I don't see it on here. Hey, look, now your chat popped up. What the heck? Why is my desktop audio not coming through? Weird. All right. I don't know, man. I don't know what's going on. All right. Is this like super loud? Tell me if that audio is super loud, because it's like barely showing up on my screen, even though it's like, oh, I think it's on. Man, look at that pop. I can't do it. I can't take it. Did you take it? Did you take the pop? I don't know how you do those opening move trades. It's terrifying to me. Now I can close this because that's coming through. Now I can watch all the chats. If you're on vertical or horizontal, I will be seeing you now. What is going on with this thing? It's good. Look at that. Right up to the gold box. See if it continues off that. SPX, big gap up on SPX today, or it might just be super zoomed in so it makes it look big. So let's find that closing candle. And it was really market close, market open. Make this purple. Big move up, big move up. Everyone's excited today for Nvidia, huh? That's what it's all about. I own some HP shares. HPQ is Hewlett Packard, and man, their earnings call must not have gone very well yesterday because they tanked. But I think their earnings came in better than expected, but their outlook must not have been. They must not have had a good future outlook. Waits for some clarity. Wait for some clarity. What is that? 10, 20 point opening gap on SPX. Let's see here. Oh, let's stop this virtual cam. There we go. Just don't understand. Like, I have my volume all the way up on the computer. It's all the way up on the stream, and I have it almost maxed out in OBS, and it's saying it's only getting to like negative 50 decibels, which is crazy. Whatever. I need to focus on my chart, not on my stream, not on my audio. Oh, God. And it's pumping, and it's pumping. Hog is down. HP made its jump back up, which is good. Down so far, I just don't understand. Whatever. It don't matter. These calls must just be holding on to 20 cents of equity. Okay. And it's still pushing, man. Look at that. 3-bar push up. Keeps going. Still pushing. Still pushing. Tesla's up 2% today for some reason. SPX forming a gap. SPX is forming a gap. Probably get a little pullback here. Bulls put. Is that losing money? Yeah, closes at 1753, so that's still good though. So maybe that's why. Yeah, it's saying it's up 66%, so that's where it's saying I'm losing some money there, which is fine. Still pushing, still pushing. SPX is gonna have to pull back at some point in time to fill that gap. pretty slow actually. With this open, we really got that little jump, but it really hasn't moved very much. Our ATR is only at 14. All right. Little mini pump. Little mini pump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We got a little mini pump. We're just gonna keep going. No news today, right? No news. I don't think there's any real news till Friday. I've had all green days so far with this backwards hat, so I'm keeping a backwards hat forever. That's the way the market works. It's the mindset. You put the backwards hat on, you just feel like you can't, you know. You're right. You just feel more confident. Yeah, I just got some FOMC members speaking. Crude oil inventories today. Tomorrow we have unemployment claims. So we got unemployment tomorrow, and then PPI on Friday. Unemployment tomorrow, PPI on Friday. Today is all yellow. Unemployment tomorrow, PPI Friday. Okay. Again, this will be my last stream this week on the live. I will be in the snow. Yeah, earnings. Yeah. That's the earnings calendar here. But I was just looking at whatever's economics. So we got let's see here. We got Nvidia today, aftermarket. No big names tomorrow. Berkshire Hathaway on Saturday. Yeah. So maybe the market's just gonna be extra slow today while it waits for that. Where's my wife? While it waits for that earning. Might just run sideways. Sorry about that. I woke up extra early today because Javi was doing that at 5 Eastern, which for me is at not 5 Eastern, 8 Eastern, which is 5 a.m. for me. So I had to wake up at 4:30 so I could get on there and watch with him at 5. ATR is just so it's garbage. It's just garbage for market open. Might be a chop day. It looks like all my trails sucked. They're all 25% lower than they're all at $30. But my leader's at 44, so that's what I'm gonna leave on the stream. Another push. NQ looks stronger on that push than SPX does. SPX already looks like it's forming a cross down. Still just going. Still just going. Yeah, SPX has a cross at orb high. Cross at orb high. All right, man. Hope you look good after. Don't know if that's possible, but hopefully you look good after that haircut, man. Feel better. All right. Have a good day. I'll see you next week, man. I'm off. I'm off next week. I'm gonna trade every day next week. So I'm excited for that. Excited for that. God bless, brother. Dun, dun, dun. All right, we're pushing towards this gold box. Let's see if we can get a curl down off of it. I want to see all these start to curl off this gold box. Go back to my NQ. Alright, ATR is picking up. ATR is picking up. ATR is picking up. Two more minutes till the orb is formed. Wait for that. Maybe we'll just be taking an orb trade today. Yeah, I need a chat box on that. I figured it have to be a vertical chat box. I don't even know how I do that now, so I'd have to probably go. Man, still pumping. Still pumping. No good entry for me. I need it to start forming a range, start sitting and getting a curl. Could have added in, could have bought it in any time, but I mean, we would have had to wait for a break on this purple, and it just ran up. And since then, it's just been green, green, green. carry my old flame. Oh, I think I have it in bookmarks. Yeah, yeah. Are we gonna move? Are we gonna move? Coming through. There we go. Gotta talk more now. I don't know. Something up with my settings. Something up with my settings. Okay, so that's that one. Bet you it's just called vertical. Oh. You didn't do that before either. Dang it. Dang it. Man, look at that thing go. We're going to come up on some levels. Coming up on a 2-minute cross, 1-minute cross, 5-minute cross, these 380s. All right. Oh, there we go. There's guides. Okay. Okay. Chat overlay. That's what I'm looking for. See if that works. All right, we're curling. We're getting a little curl here. Didn't quite make it up, though. Didn't quite make it up. Let's see. I think we still got room to push. I think we still got room to push up to these 360s, 380s. 5 minutes still going. Gotta see how I can do with this here. Break continuation on orb. I guess I could have taken that, but I'm too busy playing with my chat box. All right, welcome to Kingdom Trades Live. There we go. And then let's figure out where I want this thing. This should scroll. Vertical on the vertical screen. Hey, it does. See, that's going to be off the screen. I don't know how much I like that's going to be on my face. Maybe I need to change the sizing on it. And then we can play with it a little bit. We could play with it a little bit. Let's go 20. Do, 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 do. I getting a little curl, getting a little curl. Came up to those 60s, like I was talking about, pretty close to it. Starting to curl down. See what we can do here. All right, and let's place another chat. Don't like it. Don't like that. We're gonna go. Oh, let's see. This will be my final test. Final test. Can't even see it. Connected. Connected. What would that be? That's good. That's good. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Getting a drop. Starting to drop. Getting a little curl. Oh, okay. That's fine. I know how to get there now. What are we doing? We're gonna go. I'm just gonna leave it. So now I got a chat box, guys. There's a chat box on the vertical screen. Life is good. pretty. I don't even have any blue candles. I don't got nothing. Nothing. Just this slow roll up that makes it where I get no clarity. Zero clarity. I mean, I should have probably taken it at, just flip up at, what time is that? 9:47. Could have taken a buy. So I would have been in here probably about, and then would I have gotten 10 points? Yeah, a solid 30-point trade. SPX broke back down into orb. Let's see if SPX can break midline. SPX had a really weak move up there. All right, now we have a curl on the 1 minute, curl on the 2 minute. If it holds below. And then maybe we can start to see a curl on the 5 minute. Lots of room down towards orb. Hi, Chumbra. All right, big blue candle. Giving me a range. No cross, just a range, which is not bad. Unless it fails blue. Yeah, NQ's definitely showing more strength. Nice big push up on NQ. Big blue. SPX is still pushing down. Curl down, pushing down. NQ's looking sideways on the 1 minute. See if it can push. All right. There's almost no room to the top side, though. It's got like 10 points. Let's take a little small stab at it here. SPX pushing towards top side of orb. Go bottom blue.
Order
candle.
submitted.
Am I on the 1 minute? I am on the 1 minute. Okay. All right, got that fill there.
Order
I'm off
filled.
screen. Off the screen, got the fill. Probably might get some resistance here. Let's see if it continues. Taking on that break retest continuation off the purple candle breaking.
Order
That
filled.
was it. Now we're out. SPX failing that break on the orb high. We can start pushing down. Maybe we can get something happening here to the downside. Nice little 10 points. I love to see this blue candle break. And we have a lot more room down. About 20 points from the blue candle break. Oh, Retesting topside orb. $23, $44. Yes, I moved that to 20 points, huh? Why is it so far off? Why is it so far off? 21? Okay, whatever. Alright, we're stalling. A very, very narrow uptrend on SPX. See if we can break it. Got multiple 1 and 2 minute stacked levels here. See if we can break below this blue candle. I mean, SPX is failed topside orb again. Pushing down. I really want to see this thing get below 23. I mean, we don't really have key levels all the way down until like 156. Like a market open is our quantum level below. Our next quantum level below. Not 1 minute cross, not a 2 minute cross, not a 5 minute cross. A lot of room down. There's a couple gold boxes that would be resistance, but a lot of room to the downside off that slow market pump up. I see it break and hold 23. Oh, man. Break and hold, break and hold, break and hold. Yeah, SPX is just moving so slow. Such tiny candles. But it's still looking bearish. I think SPX is looking bearish right now. Just broke a low. Just broke a swing low. see if this thing can break 23. Let's see if this thing can break 23. There it goes. Retest. See if we get another push down. It's a small break. Let's see if we can get a push down off of it. All right, let's take that sell. Breaking candle high.
Order submitted.
SPX is back up to midline. It's got to hold that 23 again. Came up, retested it. Let's see if we can get a push back down. Very weak here. Weak push here. I'd like to see it break through a little stronger. SPX still trying to push up. There we go, a little bit of break. SPX making new low. There we go. Back off here. I see a break of 300. like that bounce. Big rejection on the gold box there. Starting to look like it wants to curl up. Really rejecting that gold box there. SPX really pushing now. I'm just gonna close it.
Order filled.
Super resistant move. SPX is starting to push back up. I was pretty much near break even. I could have taken 10 points. I would have gotten 10 points there, but since my stop was so big, I moved my TP down hopefully for a test of the 300s. It may still go, but it was just way too resistant for me. You know, and I didn't want to lose money today. Hmm. Do not like the movement today. Do not like the movement today. Clean break.
Order
Get a
filled.
topside orb. Topside orb hit. Oh,
Order
10
filled.
points. Take the 10 points. Got that breakdown. Entered the gold box. And then on the continuation, I hit the entry again. Could have held that last trade. Would have made a little bit more money, but it's okay. I feel better about that. It hit a quick 10 points and then just let it trail. All right. Third win on the day. And it stopped me out. That's okay. That's okay.
Order filled.
Now we got a good range on the SPX. The push down still looks good, but I'm not liking the price action here. The price action here is just so difficult. Break back up. 5 minutes still failed to form a cross. Top of the gold box again. Rebreak on 300. Broke 300 again. That cross is, I mean, even if the cross forms, it's so high above on the 5 minute that thing could come up and try to retest it before an actual move down. And we're just like barely wicking this SPX range. Like it's so tough movement here. So tough. Like little wick over the top of the range, little wick over the top of the range, come back down. That was a quick barber shop. Did you just shave it all off? I added a I was adding a chat box to my vertical stream so that chats would show up on there and oh nice. So you just got in right away. Yeah, that's always good. That's always good. I like I mean I never pay very much for a haircut. I always go to like here we have great clips. Yeah, here we have great clips like a chain haircut place. And on their app it'll say, you know, how many people are waiting in line. And so I'll look at all the local ones and feel like, okay, this one has 0, and that's where I'm going. I'm going to the one that doesn't have anybody in line. Go in there, and then usually I'll show up and like 3 people will walk in the door like right ahead of me. I'm like, dang it, so much dust on my keyboard. I need to wipe that thing down. Just took one more short one. I took one break even trade, and then I took one more really short win, really small little 10-point win again. So this movement is horrible. Yeah, one short trade. Horrible movement, man. It's just so wicky, just so wicky, and it's like I think the short still looks good, and but it's just tough. Maybe if we get a break back into orb, everything's 5 points down, 10 points up, another 15 points down. It's just like it's just trying to take all your money away from you. Nothing's holding. No moves holding. ugly, ugly move down. Oh, that's a nice pop. That's a nice pop. Oh, the 5 minute already crossed down though. I don't even think I want to take it. That's a buy. That's a buy signal for me, but I don't even think I want to take that, man. I think I'd be happier to take a break on it. See what we do with this 5 minute cross here. We break. I'd say if we break 92, I'll try another short down at the bottom here. Like this is every candle, man. It's just going. It's like the movement is fairly smooth down. Now we're gonna come back up and maybe come back down, But it's just taking so long, and every candle is just back and forth and back and forth and back and forth on this movement. Hmm. That 25 level. See if we can get a break on it. Yeah, I know, dude. It's just slow moving today, waiting for that Nvidia earnings. It's a good pop. That was nice. So that buy would have worked out, but that's okay. I might try another one here. I might try along here. I think I might try for the long again here, but it's nice, man. Good job. Don't know. Let's see if it breaks back below 25 on this. Took a long here.
Order submitted.
I want it to hold above 37.
Got to break 37 and hold. Retesting 25. Breaks 25. It's coming down. Just gave it all back.
Order filled. Order filled.
There. Don't want it to get back above 19. So we're going to take this. Break a new low. Come on, you gotta break and hold 93. Gotta break and hold 93. This is taking too long, man.
Order submitted.
Cutting it. I'm just cutting it. I'm just cutting it. I know, dude. I'm just cutting it. That was ugly. That was ugly.
Order filled.
Ugly. Piece of garbage. Oh my gosh. I've always had a tail, man. What you talking about? Always had a tail. Born with one. Let's see. One last. Yeah. Yeah. She's drinking water. I hear her. What? What? She's sad. She's an outside dog now. We're having too much trouble with fleas on her in the country, so she's been designated an outside dog, so she's not happy. Oh, see, I could still be in this thing. I'm gonna give it one last shot. I really feel like giving it one last shot. No, I'm not. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. The price action being as garbage as it is. It looks like it wants to go, man. It just looks like it wants to go. Like, am I crazy? Does it just look like? Doesn't it look like it just wants to? It just wants to tank.
Order submitted.
So I take one more. Oh, you piece of garbage. This thing doesn't just rocket ship down right now, I'm gonna be mad. Two points for my TP. 2 points for my TP right there. Come on. Don't you dare come back on me. Oh my gosh, 2 points for my TP. There it goes, there it goes. Oh, it ticked it. Come on. Give me the fill. Okay.
Order filled.
Got the fill. Got the fill. Let's see if this thing can just tank from here, hopefully. Hopefully that's it right there. Hopefully that's the move. And now it just tanks. I actually never hit my stop on that previous trade. But I just cut it. Cut it at that $200 loss. Just melt. Just melt. You know you want to. You want to go all the way down to 150. That's what you want. You want to go all the way down to 150. This is going to be a 130-point trade here. That's so annoying. Yeah, you sold it. You sold it last week, and then it jumps 20%. Yeah, that's the way it goes, man. Come on, tank. Just do it. You already gave it up. Just go. You want to break out. You want to break way down. You want to go all the way back to the beginning. That's what you want. You want to go all the way back to the beginning. There we go. Keep going. Give me. Don't let it come back up on me. I'm not stopping that. I'm not stopping that. We're gonna stay break even, but we're not. I'm not taking that profit yet. We're going all the way down. Keep those last two break even. Break down into orb. You want to. You want to. You want to break down into orb, and then you just want to drop all the way to the bottom side of orb. Three bar it down. Retest in top side orb. Break into orb. Break past the bottom of this gold box, baby. Come on. Hold it. Break it down. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, no reason to stop. Just keep going. You got no reason to stop. Retesting topside orb. And flip around. Now flip red. Now flip red. Flip red. And keep going. Nice little break. Retest. And it's going to flip and go. Yeah, right now I have some Harley. I have HP. I have I don't have any funds I'm invested. I just do options trading. So right now I'm holding HP, Hog, and Tiger up FinTech. And then I have some puts on Kohl's and Bath and Body Works right now. And I usually trade stuff week after week. So the Hog and the Tiger I've been stuck in for a while. It went against me a little bit, so I've just been trading options against it, trying to get it back to break even. Come on, 3-bar that thing down. Keep going. Big 3-bar drop. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Yeah, but the big one, HP, I'm in. That one just had earnings yesterday, and like I said, that one didn't go well. Their earnings must have. Now it broke topside orb. Retesting. See if we can break back in. It's holding the topside orb. HP took a big drop, but I have my options are deep in the money that I sold against it, so that means that my options are making money while the stock's losing money. So it should be pretty even for me. This thing's coming back up. All right, I'm out.
Order filled.
And then Bath and Body Works and Kohl's, I have puts on them, so as long as they stay above that put value, I just take all the money. But it's not. I have very little invested in stocks. It's just like a little additional way to make a few dollars here and there on the side. That was supposed to tank all the way back down. Didn't listen to me. What sucks is that I closed out that trade. I mean, it's not bad to close out a trade. I didn't want to lose that much money anyway. But that trade never hit my stop. I had my stop at 320. Never hit the stop and then rolled off of it. That's okay. Break back above. I think my HP. Actually, I haven't looked at it today. I looked at it earlier today, this morning, pre-market. But my options should be covering my stock losses as long as it's not still tanking. Hog is tanking. Hog dropped a lot. That's bad. HP made a recovery. Harley dropped. I don't think I can roll this out anymore. I may just have to buy more Harley whenever it drops low enough. I think 1650 was my target. It's a drop down to 1650. I was going to buy more. Let's break this 2-minute cross. Break this 2-minute candle. I say I got a lot of wins today, but they were all like 10 pointers. That one was the biggest one. I mean, it was still a 10-point win because I didn't let my trail. But all right, nice breakdown. See if we can hold that 2-minute level. See if we can break this. Get back into orb. Doesn't look like it's going to break that 2-minute level. Back towards the bottom side orb or top side orb. See, it's all jacked. I don't know why my orb line on the 2-minute is it's showing that we're inside of orb, and we're not. We're not. We're not inside the orb. It does this to me all the time. Like even where I hover, it says 77 is all the way down here, which would be right inside orb. Come on. ATR is just 13 now. I'd be trading the 2-minute so different. So different with that orb right there. Even that 15-minute looks like it's wanting to start to cross down. It's wanting to pull back. You take any more trades, Akira? Take any more trades? Yeah, dude. Watching it dry. Ah. Dang Nvidia earnings. Take it one more short here. See if we can get the push down.
Order submitted. I'm getting really fatigued here, so I think this is my last trade here. Just want to come down, retest those 80s. Just one time. Just one little tap. One little tap.
It's doing it just to spite me. Which is Chumba. Just gotta retest those 80s one more time. One more time. Hit that 80. Hit that 80. Good sell here. It's got a break. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, don't reject all the way back up. There we go. There we go. Retest it. Retest it. Gotta try for 80. Gotta try for 80. Breaking that 2-minute cross. Oh, come on, man. Just the back and forth is just killer. Just a few points away again. Just a few points away. Such a strong move off that sell. Such a strong move up. Every push is just so, it's just such a fight for every little point. Come on, there we go. All right. That was nice.
Order filled.
All right. Now just see if it continues or not, or if it's just going to come back up and stop me out, because every move is just such a battle. We're going to catch some continuation here. I'm at break even on that last 2 cons, 2 micros. Even this, I mean, even how much the wicks, man, the wicks. It's probably gonna stop me out here. Yeah, stop me out. Okay.
Order filled.
Well, that was quite a day. That was some pretty rough market conditions there. So to walk away down $50, I'm not too upset with that. I'm not too upset with that. That was probably some of the hardest trading I've been in a long time. So I think I did a decent job keeping my risk to a minimum. So I think that's a good stopping point right there, man. Hope the hair looks good. You got a beard? You got a beard? Or does it slow you down when you jump over the hurdles? Less aerodynamic to have a beard. Oh. Is that there you go, short and spiky. That's fun. That's fun. Do. All right, man. Yeah, I need to trim mine up. I'm not gonna go stubble. I'm not gonna go stubble, but I'm gonna, you know, get it cleaned up. It's getting a little bit too much up above the line. Got to get these lines cut out, get a little bit less flaring, and then keep it keep it nice and bushy. Um, I shaved one time. Shaved my beard one time. My wife wasn't happy with that. She wants me to have a nice big beard. And whatever makes a happy wife, happy life, man. All right, God bless. Jesus loves you, everybody. Oh, get to know him in a real and personal way. Look at that thing cut right back up. Thank the Lord it came and ticked my stop there. Way too many triangles on my chart. Way too many triangles on my chart. But regardless, uh, Jesus loves you. Get to know him. Have a good rest of your week. Hopefully, Nvidia earnings bring some volatility into this market tomorrow. I'm sure it's going to make a massive move one way, and then the next day it will probably be a big retracement from whatever that is. But God bless everybody. Be careful in this chop. Be careful in this range. We will see you tomorrow.